This is what the dash looks like on a 2022 Yamaha XT250 with 0.1 miles on it. 0 miles on the odometer, 0.1 on the trip, because all that has happened is it drove from the warehouse at Woods Cycle Country in New Braunfels, Texas, for me to take a look at, no test drive, and back to the warehouse again. So this is pretty cool. And there we are. There's a brand new tag. Woods Cycle Country. Key fob, back up and take a look at this thing. So that is pretty cool. Down low, as far as I can go. Let's take a walk around. There we go. Back up a little bit. Walk back around here and turn the key off. One thing I didn't expect on this motorcycle was to have the rim lock installed on it from the factory. So there's where the air goes in to inflate the tire, and then the rim lock is over there. Let me see if I can get my finger in there, right there. Some things I like about this motorcycle. I like how it comes with this guard in the back for the caliper right here. I also like a chain guard down below. I want to put on a luggage rack. There's really no place right now to tie anything except to the grab handles. I want to put on some brush guards on the handlebars. I got a bash plate already ordered. I'm going to change out these lights eventually for LED headlight, LED turn signals, and everything that goes with it. It's nice. I'm glad to have gotten it. And I also want to get some disc brake protectors that I can put on the front disc and the rear disc. I love it. I also want to get a rear brake cylinder guard. Haven't taken it for a spin yet. Going to do that real soon. Let's see if I can manage to do a startup holding the camera in my left hand and do everything with my right hand. You can feel the exhaust way back here.